Now let's talk about how to find the total and different weights by reading scales. We have scales in front of us with 3 different buckets on them. We need to know the heaviest bucket's weight, the lightest bucket's weight, the total weight of the 3 buckets, and the weight of the heaviest bucket and the difference between that and the lightest bucket. So let's start by reading our scales. The first scale, the arrow is clearly pointing to the 3, so we know that this first bucket weighs 3 pounds. The second scale points to the 5, so we know that the second bucket weighs 5 pounds. The third scale points to the 1, so we know that the third bucket weighs 1 pound. Now, the heaviest bucket was the 5-pound bucket. It's the biggest, and it weighs 5 pounds, so we can fill that in on this first line. The lightest bucket was our 1-pound bucket. It's the smallest, and we can fill our 1 pound into the lightest bucket's weight. Now the total weight of all 3 buckets is going to require us to add these together, since total means all together. So we're going to add 3 plus 5 plus 1. Now 3 plus 5 plus 1 is 9. So altogether the 3 buckets are going to weigh 9 pounds. The weight of the heaviest bucket is blank pounds more than that of the lightest bucket. Now, we said that our heaviest bucket was 5 pounds and our lightest was 1 pound. So let's subtract 5 minus 1 and find that the difference between the two is 4 pounds. So the weight of the heaviest bucket is 4 pounds more than that of the lightest bucket.